Hey y'all, found a project to get working on, but like any good project, there always seem to be side projects to go with. I will get you turned around and show you what the plan is. Today will just be the side project. So, right down here, I've got a nice little Rock Island vise swivel jaw. I need to make another one of these pins because I have a matching vise right there that needs one. However, while I was gone, my brother got using my lathe on a project, and I've got a bit of cleanup to do. It could be argued I could just do the job anyway, and I could. But I see a good excuse to clean up, so that will be today's project. I'll get you set up on a time lapse, and we'll go from there. Well, it may not be much of a video, but the old lathe is substantially cleaner. Not 100%, obviously. But I'm just going to throw more chips on her when I get started on the project anyway. But she's cleaned up a fair bit, lubed back up, and ready to go. So hopefully it'll be another, maybe tomorrow, maybe it'll be a few days before I get the project started, but we will see. I'll probably make a initial attempt with that piece of aluminum there just to prove to myself that I can do it. And then I've got some steel rod back there that I can switch to after that for the final product. We'll see what direction I go, but for now, I've got a cleaner lathe.